Gotta make some money with freaking Shopify, baby. Let's go. Money, 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 money. Okay, so guys, if you want to make some crazy money with Shopify and adult traffic, okay, I'm talking like you could sell things like sex toys and things like this, which is weird, I know, but I thought of the idea for anyone out there who wants to just make crazy money and is okay with doing that. Listen up. This video does have the power to change your life if you implement the method I'm going to share with you here today. There are millionaires created from just this. You set up a Shopify store. I won't make the Shopify store in this video, but I will give you some tips. You want to have a simple template. If you look at some of the biggest Shopify sites out there, they're very simple. And you know what? Making money should be treated as very simple. The strategy should be complex sometimes, but making a very simplistic template is very much so key. Making sure that your product's description and the page that sells the product, your sales page looks sales-worthy, explains the product, sells the product, and explains everything about it. That's super, super key to crush it. Okay, Shopify, you collect payments through Stripe. You can connect straight to Stripe, or you can do Shopify Stripe. They take a very small fee, guys, like super, super small. All you guys got to do is you run adult traffic to your Shopify store, and here's the key to all of it, so pay attention. Adult traffic's the cheapest in the entire world. It's the cheapest. There's tons of it. You can get way more people, the same people on Facebook or on YouTube, which costs you $20 per 1,000 impressions or more. That's 1,000 impressions. Now, it can cost you a few dollars per 1,000 impressions or even a few cents. It's actually usually 50 cents or less per 1,000 people who see your ad. That's crazy, right? Like, it's insane. So you get way more people to see your thing. So what you want to do in your banner ads, you want to basically show, hey, this is the product. This is how much it is. Do you want it? Because you're getting in front of so many people. It's like, imagine you're promoting over in New York and Times Square and you're like showing off your product, whatever it is, hundreds of thousands of people see it, basically free. That's basically what adult traffic's like. You don't need to sell sex toys or anything like this. You can sell things like books or things like a trending product, but you use adult traffic. This is very powerful. You can totally do anything outside of anything adult. You can promote adult affiliate offers in your back end. There's no reason why you shouldn't. You'll have customers who are willing to convert on more stuff you recommend. So here we are on AliExpress. These are the highest converting offers. They cost you literally like a few dollars for the product. You can mark it up a lot and sell it with adult traffic. You can bundle stuff together. It's pretty crazy. And this stuff's weird. Okay, this stuff's really weird. And you can promote it. You can promote this stuff on your store and just crush it. These are the most ordered products. So from what I typed there, these are the biggest of all. And so why not promote it and do good targeting with adult sites? Okay, I'll show you what an adult site you can promote on here. Okay, so Pornhub is TrafficJunky, basically the biggest site out there. You could basically set up an easy campaign, like super quick. You basically go here, you do this, you name your campaign, whatever, and then you go down, and because you're selling something, I always do desktop for that. Then you want to do this banner placement when you start, and then when you scale, you want to be all over the place, multiple campaigns, all this stuff. Depending on what you're selling, you want to target whatever. Let's say your target females based off what these top ones were. You want to do United States traffic, because they've usually got money to buy stuff. Now you move forward, and this is a demonstration account, by the way. This TrafficJunky account is not my main one at all. I have a huge TrafficJunky account. Let's go ahead and promote Shopify. Promote your Shopify store. Boom. You would just do that. You select creatives real quick. You make your creatives the right dimensions. This is just for demonstration purposes to show you guys. By the way, TrafficJunky is the main one I advertise with for anything I do. I do affiliate marketing mainly, but I also do my own offers, PLR products, tripwire funnels. Subscribe so you can learn more about all this stuff, because this stuff has power to change your life. So let's say your front end product, you're selling it for a markup of 20 bucks or something like that. Now you can do $60 a day. So times 3 of the 20, this is how much you spend per day. You're getting data. You're seeing what's working. You're seeing what banner placements are working. You're seeing if you're actually getting sales. Having upsells is also a great, powerful thing to do, and back-end offers. This allows you to have, on average, more money per customer than the opposite turnout. You really want people to spend more money, or you want more money to be creative. So if you do affiliate offers in the back end, if you do freaking upsells, you will make more money. And so it's like, it's totally worth it. There are high ticket versions, I think, of these toys or whatever. So this looks like the cheapest. Throw these in as bonuses or something. I don't know. This right here is weird. These are the highest ticket. Okay. So you can put stuff like weird stuff like this in your back end. Weird stuff. It almost looks like abusive. It's weird. So yeah, you could promote all this weird stuff in your back end if you want to. I mean, this is just an idea. So now you got ExoClick here. ExoClick has X videos as their biggest site. It's a huge site. Okay, they got 1 billion impressions per day plus. And you can advertise on tons of other sites they've got. It's insane. It actually blows my mind how much traffic there is out there. You can advertise on this one. This is the second biggest site out there. Then this one's the third biggest, Traffic Factory. They also have X videos as one of the ones you can run on, and some other different big sites. It's crazy. You guys basically set up a simple Shopify store, have products that are a no-brainer price for how much value there is. So you should really bundle stuff together, make a unique offer, advertise on adult sites, and you will see money be created. And in the back end, like, promote a bunch of affiliate offers, man. You can sign up for Crack Revenue. Crack Revenue is a powerful network, and that's where I make a lot of money with. You can sign up for freaking other CPA networks and other affiliate networks like ClickBank and stuff, and you can promote a bunch of stuff in the back end. Very powerful. You can crush it.